I got this beautiful blue floral mat. It comes with this carry bag in exchange for my honest review. It came nicely wrapped and it has little pink ribbons that go around it. I always love when it has a case because that just makes it convenient and easy for taking it to the games. I love blue and pink together. So I like that they put the pink ribbons on there. Look how cute that is. Cute little pink ribbons. And this is a nice feeling mahjong mat. So I am going to untie the cutesy little ribbons now. One in the middle, one on either end. And it has a little dowel rod in the middle. So let's flip this over. Look how pretty that is. It's a really nice, bright blue and white design. And it has, I'm going to get it a little closer so you can see the details. So it has dark blue around the edges, and I like this square design. Really bright blue flowers, and then there are little goldish brown accents throughout, just in a few spaces, like a kind of a khaki color. And then it's got this beautiful circular pattern in the middle. So you've got 3 sets of these brightly colored blue flowers around the edge, and some lighter flowers and little accent details. Look at those colors. So I really like this mat. Very pretty. Comes with a bag to put it in. Just lovely, vibrant colors. A nice backdrop for mahjong tiles. So I'm going to dump some tiles on here and see. These ones are not a white color. These are kind of like sort of an ivory colored tile. You can see how those look on there. I think it's pretty. Can't wait to play on this new mat. They also have matching bags, so check those out too if you're looking for a really pretty set. Everything goes very nicely together.